How to withdraw money from Fanduel. So here's a step-by-step guide. You will just open up the application and to the side you will see your account balance. You want to click on it. Once you have accessed your playable balance or account balance, it is going to look a little something like this. You will have deposit and withdraw. You want to click on withdraw, and then the next step will be just confirming the withdrawal. So again, it's going to show you the sum that you have here and any previous completed withdrawals. Now we want to click on withdraw, and it's going to ask you for your preferred withdrawal method. Here, if you have any cards saved, they will be shown as the first option, and also you can use any of the other methods such as Venmo, PayPal, online banking, or debit card. You can also receive a check, but it is going to take a little bit longer. So you want to select the payment method you want to be paid in, and then just confirm the withdrawal. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.